how to add custom domain to Emergent AI. First, open up Emergent AI, then you will find your app or website which you want to add a custom domain to. Open it up, then here it should look a little something like this. If you see the preview, you just want to click on deploy or redeploy, and you will see the option to add your domain. Click on add your domain and you can type it right here. I will use Hostinger for this. So get your domain name, copy it, and then go back into Emergent AI and paste it, and you can click on auto link. We will see if that works. It is going to recheck the DNS records you've added. Okay, it wants to use it to configure our domain. So if you click on continue, it is going to analyze it. It's going to detect the DNS provider, and it's going to get the Hostinger details. Or what you can do, I'm going to leave, or what you can do is to view the DNS records or link manually. So once you click on link manually, it's going to show you this. We will need to add 3 records. So go back into Hostinger or your provider, and then we're going to click on manage. Go into DNS/name servers, and you will need to clear all of your current DNS records. The first one we need to add is a@, and this is going to be the value. So a@ and the value added. Second one, a@ and this value. So a@ and this time it's going to be this value. Confirm. It's going to be a different one. And cname www, and this is going to be the value. So cname record www and the value, and you want to click on add record. Once you have added all of the needed records, you will click on I have added DNS records, and here it is going to check and verify if it is indeed added, and it's going to begin linking it. So here it might take a little bit of time, but afterwards this is going to be successful. It's going to show you a green light. So like I said, connecting your domain might take a little bit of time in order to detect that the records are set up. But here it is going to link it. And once this completes linking, you will see a confirmation. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.